back, students. In this video we will do exercise related to symmetry, chapter 11, geometrical shapes, exercise 11.6. In 11.6 our first chapter is draw the lines of symmetry on these figures. Means we will draw the lines and divide these figures into equal halves. First figure is given and we can divide it horizontally as well as vertically. These two halves resemble each other, left and right half. Now if I draw horizontal line, then also upper and lower halves are exactly same. Now in second figure I can divide it only vertically. If I divide it horizontally, then upper half is having eyes, lower half is not having eyes. It means two halves will not resemble each other, they will not be same. In third figure also in the same way I can divide it vertically like this. This is line of symmetry of third figure. Fourth, only vertical line of symmetry this way. Fifth is a triangle having equal sides. I can divide line of symmetry through one vertex. Through second vertex also I can divide line of symmetry, and through third vertex also I can divide line of symmetry. Means a triangle can be divided in three ways. Three lines of symmetries are there. Now this is a square. How can I divide square? I can divide square this way, vertically, then horizontally, then also diagonally. Slanting line I can also draw. This is also line of symmetry. Again I will draw these lines of symmetry. If a figure is having more than one line of symmetry, these lines of symmetry should pass through single point. This is one line of symmetry, horizontal line. This is second line of symmetry and this is third line of symmetry, and this is fourth line of symmetry, because diagonals are also equal in square. Okay, and sides are same, so we can divide square in four ways by drawing four lines of symmetry. Next is figure. I can only divide by drawing vertical line of symmetry. Fifth, drawing vertical line and horizontal line. This figure can be divided into two halves. Now X, it can be divided into two ways, by drawing vertical line and by drawing horizontal line. These two halves will be exactly same. H can be divided in two ways, by drawing vertical line and again by drawing horizontal line also. Two halves obtained will be same. Now second question is draw all the possible lines of symmetry for alphabets given below. First is C. We have done all the alphabets from A to Z in previous video. You can go through that video. Now question number 3, list all the letters of alphabet which don't have line of symmetry. We also have done this question also in previous video. F does not has line of symmetry. Then G, J, K, L, N, P, Q, R, S, Z. These letters don't have any line of symmetry. You can go through previous video and check. Next is draw the lines of symmetry of the following figures. We will again draw the lines of symmetry. First figure is draw a line vertically. This is one line of symmetry. Then in B figure, we can divide this figure two ways. One, by drawing line horizontally, and second by drawing line vertically. C figure, again in two ways. This is one way, this is second way. Now this triangle does not has any line of symmetry because no sides are equal, all the sides are different. Parallelogram also does not has any line of symmetry, not possible. Now T can be divided vertical by drawing vertical line. Okay, that's all from exercise 11.6. Rest we will do in next video.